Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Greer. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon practicing in Cleveland, Ohio. And today I want to talk a little bit about liposuction and whether your weight will change. This is a question I get a whole lot from patients. They wonder, am I gonna lose a lot of weight after liposuction? What kind of change will I see on the scale? And it's a really important piece of the preoperative education I do, because if you're doing liposuction with the goal of seeing a decrease in the number on the scale, you're gonna be disappointed. Liposuction physically removes fat, yes, but there's a limit to how much we can remove. The goal of liposuction should always be to improve the shape and improve the contour. And that's why we generally use it for isolated areas like the abdomen, like the hips, like the inner thighs. Liposuction is a really nice tool because we have control over how much fat we remove and we can blend it into the larger area, but the goal is never to make the person thinner overall. For a liposuction case, example, abdomen, waist, hips, average fat removal is anywhere from 2 pounds, maybe even up to 8 or 10 pounds, depending on the person. When I had liposuction over my abdomen, hips, and inner thighs, I think it was around 2.5 or 3 pounds that was removed. And no, I really didn't see a change in the number on the scale. Part of that is because our weight fluctuates quite a bit from day to day, and we can retain a lot of water and then diurese it and have it come off. So when you have surgery, your body initially is going to retain a lot of water and you'll actually see your weight go up. Once all that water weight comes off, whether or not you see a difference in the number on the scale kind of depends on how consistent you are with your eating habits. I did see a little bit of a change, but I was also actively losing weight at the time. So it's hard to know whether the weight loss was from liposuction or just my eating and activity levels. When I've done liposuction on patients and removed a lot of fat, like 8 or 10 pounds, they still don't often see a change in the number on the scale for a month to 6 weeks. And in that sort of time period, it's hard to know whether you would have gained or lost weight anyway. So if your goal is changing the number on the scale, eating habits are going to do it 100% of the time. If your goal is to contour and get rid of fat in areas that just never seem to let go of the fat no matter what your weight is, then liposuction is a perfect tool. If you would like to come see me in my practice in Cleveland, Ohio for liposuction, we'll have some contact information following at the end of the video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video useful, I would love if you would hit subscribe so you don't miss future videos, and like the video so other people can find it. If you have questions about the video, leave them in the comments and I'll get to them as soon as I can.